Hello, I am stopping in briefly before I turn in. Gonna go to bed, but I just thought I would hop on really quickly and just show you in 5 minutes or less my favorite five products right now. I grab a lot of different things on a daily basis, but right now I've just been finding that I've been grabbing um, these five things very consistently. Um, the first thing that I grab daily is my Mary Kay Fanorama mascara, and I love this mascara because it gives you that winged out look. I have very tiny baby lashes. I need thickening and lengthening, and this mascara does the trick. I love it because of the brush. If you can see that brush right there, it's a plastic brush, but it really is curved and defined. It gives you amazing lashes. So I love that product. I'm wearing that every day. Another product that I gravitate to daily is the oil-free eye makeup remover. You shake it up. It's oil-free. I love it because it takes all of my mascara off, even if it's waterproof, but it also takes off my base, my lipstick. It takes off everything. And all I do is I use a dampened cotton ball. I put this on there and I just wipe everything off before I cleanse. So I love this. It's oil free, so it's not going to break you out. That's the oil free eye makeup remover. I've been using that every day. Another thing that I've been using every day is my Mary Kay um, Unlimited Lip Gloss. This is the new formula. I love all the shades, but the shade that I've been really gravitating to is the shade Fancy Nancy. I love it because it's a nice peachy shade. I'm wearing it right now. It's not too deep, it's not too light. It basically accentuates every skin tone. I love these new lip glosses because they are not sticky or gummy. They're just very nice and natural. You can wear them by themselves, you can pair them with a liner, or you can wear them on top of your favorite lipstick. But that's the new lip glosses. And then I have two eye creams that I'm using. I use this one in the daytime. It's part of the Volu-Firm repair set, though you can purchase it separately. And one of the reasons that I like it is because it has this cooling tip right there. And so you just squeeze out a little bit of product and you rub it underneath and on top of your eye area, and it really works to depuff your eye area. So it's going to help to relieve any kind of puffiness. It's going to soothe and cool the under eye area. It's going to immediately brighten and tighten the under eye area. So it's going to give you that instant gratification with the long-term benefits. It's one of the only eye creams on the market that really works well on top of the lid as far as reducing fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to give you that little lift. So I like that. You can use it morning and evening. I usually use mine in the daytime. Then this is an oldie but goodie. This is the Firming Eye Cream by Mary Kay. And I like this because it's a very rich cream. It helps with brightening, but it also helps with firming the under eye area. So if you're starting to experience a little bit of sagginess, it's really going to help with lifting that under eye area and really doing great with anti-aging. So I like this. I use it at night because it is a heavier formula and I have very oily skin, so it works best for me at night. But those are the products that I'm loving right now. The Fanorama mascara, my oil-free eye makeup remover, ultimate lip gloss and Fancy Nancy, Volu-Firm eye cream, and oldie but goodie firming eye cream by Mary Kay. I love all of these products. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. They are available for purchase. You can order 24/7 on my personal website. I'll talk to you guys soon. And like I said, if you're interested in any of these products or if you have questions, reach out and I'm available. So I will see you guys next time and I'll share more of my five favorite things. Have a good night.